Good morning, Atomians! Do you know why we are all beautiful? Why? Because this is the 9th anniversary of Atomy Philippines, right? Meron po ba dito ngayon yung mga dumating for the very first time na imbitahan lang? Can I see the raise of hands of those who were invited for the first time? Ayan! Palakpakan naman po natin silang lahat. Before I proceed with my presentation, meron po akong konting katanungan. But, etong katanungan na to ay merong papremyo. Okay po? So, sino po dito? Yung mga nagpunta dito for the very first time, pero marami na po silang experience sa ibang company. Ayan. Sige, tayo po tayong lahat. Ayan. Ayan. Okay po, wag po kayong mahiya. May prize po ito. Ayan. Okay. So, pag may second question ko po, uupo lahat po yung hindi. Okay? Sino po sa inyo yung 5 years, may 5 companies na nasalihan? 5 na ang company na nasalihan. MLM companies po na nasalihan. Okay, pwede na pong umupo. Okay, don't worry, marami pa po tayong papremyo. Hanggang 5 companies lang? Meron po ba ditong hanggang 10 company meron? Meron? Talaga po, pakitaas po yung kamay. Sige po, 10 companies and more. Ayan, dahil ako daw po ang pipili at nakita ko na po yung magandang ma'am dito sa unahan. Ayan, ma'am, pwede po kayong tumayo. Lalapitan po kayo ng ating Atomy staff. Ayan, ma'am. So this is your first time po, di ba? Yan, sino po nag-invite po sa inyo, ma'am?
Si Sir Ren, sila. O si Sir Ren ang pinakaano namin.
Wow! So ano pong center niyo, ma'am?
FLC.
Wow, FLC. Ma'am, ilang company na po yung nasalihan ninyo?
Mahigit 10.
Mahigit 10? So
15.
pang ilan niyo po ang Atomy?
Pang 16.
Wow! Pang 16. Ma'am, the reason why you're here is maybe hindi nyo pa po nakita yung company na saktong-sakto po dun sa panlasa ninyo. Okay po? So today, ma'am, we know for sure na hindi ka po magsisisi na umattend ka po sa Success Academy na to.
Yes.
Yan. Okay po. Thank you, ma'am. So you will receive your prize po later. Okay po, everyone, thank you for coming this afternoon. Palakpakan naman po natin yung ating mga sarili for coming here. Ayan. So, in 2009, mark the birth of a very wonderful company. Nag-umpisa po siya ng napakaliit lang. Actually, sa isang rented na opisina lamang siya nagsimula. At sa labas nun, may nakasulat na Atomy sa isang A4 na bond paper. At yun po ang nagsilbing kauna-unahang signage ng Atomy. At alam niyo po ba, ang unang seminar ng Atomy ay ginanap sa isang bankrupt na duck restaurant. But fortunately, 17 hopeful individuals came to listen and believe in the promise of this company. At siniguro po na matupad ang mga promises na yon ng isang lalaking punong-puno ng pangarap. At siya po ang ating Chairman Hangil Park. On the screen, you can see a very huge and very beautiful structure. At yan po, ang our very own Atomy headquarters in South Korea. From a very humble beginning, Atomy has grown this big, and we are so proud of that. So, in honor, let me present to you Atomy's company profile. My name is Joan Balaoro, Diamond Master, Center Head of Antipolo Masangkay Center. Ano nga kaya ang dahilan kung bakit ang isang napakaliit na kumpanya ngayon ay lumaki na ng gusto? There must be a secret. But that secret ay hindi po natin itatago. We will share everything to you about Atomy. We are now living in a very fast-paced world. Lahat minamadali, di po ba? Tapos ang lahat ng tao nagmamadali din. And we are also living in the era of 100-year life. According to the expert, in the years to come, madami daw po sa atin ang mabubuhay ng hanggang 100 taon. Sino po ang gustong mabuhay ng hanggang 100 years old? Ayan, marami. Okay, but there's a question. Ready na po ba tayo na mabuhay ng hanggang 100 taon? Ready naman sila. Okay, so let's open our minds. Let's think that, for example, an individual retired at the age of 50. Ano kaya ang mangyayari doon sa remaining 50 years ng kanyang retirement stage? And how about if that person decide to retire at the age of 60? Ready kaya siya sa remaining 40 years of that life? Sino dito sa atin ang nangangarap ng isang mahaba, healthy, worry-free na retirement age? Yan, parang lahat po tayo. Have we prepared for that age stage? Yun ang katanungan. Okay, so sino naman po dito sa atin ngayon ang nasa age range ng 20 to 30? Can I see the raise of hands? 20 to 30. Wow, okay. Age range from 40 to 50. Ayan, mas marami. How about po doon sa mga 60s and above? Mas marami sila. Okay. Coming here is not an accident. I know the reason why we are all here is because we want to change our lives for better. Tama po ba? At ang Atomy ang maaaring isang napakagandang tool para magkaroon tayo ng isang magandang kinabukasan. Atomy can be a reliable business partner for all of us. So, for us to be more confident about doing this Atomy business, let's get to know what kind of Atomy business is. Atomy business is a platform business. Well, actually, it is a leading platform business. Ano po ba ang platform business? Ito po yung nag-generate po ng income through pag-merge or pag-engage ng mga users, customers, or consumers. Isang magandang example po dyan ang social media. Just like YouTube and Facebook, hindi naman po sila nagbebenta ng mga sarili nilang produkto? So how do they earn? This kind of platform or business platform post or run advertisements in their platform. So this is how they earn. Another example is the marketplaces like Amazon, and in the Philippines we have Lazada and Shopee, okay? So si Shopee and Lazada, wala rin po silang sariling produkto nilang ibinebenta. What they do is they engage or connect the buyers and the sellers, di po ba? So this is how they earn. Atomy is similar, but we have a very big edge. Compared to those mentioned examples earlier, Atomy is a lot better. So that is why it leads the platform business. So how does Atomy work as a platform business? Ganito po yan. It renders the members of high quality and of course very affordable prices. And not only that, us bilang mga consumers ng Atomy ay hindi lamang po tayo nananatiling customers or consumers, but we are also given the chance to earn through our commissions. Isn't that wonderful? Atomy is also a system-based business. Ano naman yung system-based business? It is a kind of business na kung saan well-made na yung sistema. So this is exactly how Atomy works for its members. Isang magandang example dyan ay yung mga MLM companies katulad ng Atomy. So, dahil ang isang system-based business ay made na, katulad ng Atomy, made na ang sistema, we have a very well-made website na kung saan doon natin ginagawa lahat ng ating mga transactions dito sa Atomy. Doon natin ginagawa ang ating purchasing, doon din po natin ginagawa yung ating registration. So everything is in there. Kung gusto po nating i-check yung ating lineage, we can also check in there. Doon din po natin makikita ilang points value na ba yung na-accumulate natin at ang paborito ng lahat, magkano ang marireceive natin na commission. Okay po? So this system also connects us to the members all around the globe. Kaya nga sabi po doon, di ba, even while I'm sleeping, my income keeps coming in. Because kung meron po tayong mga members na naandoon sa Canada, sa Australia, sa USA, at nasa UK po, habang natutulog po tayo dito sa Pilipinas, sila po ay nagpa-purchase, yung points value, we accumulate. Di po ba? So sabi nga kanina ng ating Royal Master from Malaysia, that is what we call passive income. Di po ba? Isn't that so wonderful? That deserves a round of applause, Atomians. So, now that we know at secured na tayo na napakaganda ng ating Atomy business, then let's get to know bakit natin siya pipiliin. This is really most especially for those who came here for the first time. At take note po ha, meron po ulit tayong trivia question mamaya at may papremyo po yan. Kaya bawal po talaga ang matulog. Okay? Pag may nakita po kayong katabi niyong medyo kumikeleng-keleng na, pakikalabit niyo po. Okay? Okay, so why Atomy? There are some points that we need to know about this business so that we can be confident para gawin ang negosyong ito. Atomy is a premier global enterprise built on unshakable trust, integrity, and principles. It is a company dedicated to customer success because our CEO or our chairman, Hangil Park, believes that if the member succeeds, Atomy also succeeds. The same principle na itinuturo din po ng ating company sa atin bilang mga leaders and future leaders na alagaan po natin yung ating mga members. Let them taste the success here in Atomy because if they succeed, we also succeed. Atomy ranked number 2 in Korean industry sales. Considering na isa si Atomy sa pinakabatang kumpanya sa Korea, yet it ranked number 2. A global enterprise expanding beyond Korea. Hindi lang siya sa Korea, but because of its very good strategy and the absolute quality products na meron tayo, Atomy has expanded in 26 global countries, and that includes the Philippines, which was launched in June 28, 2016. Okay po? And then, Atomy does not stop there. It is already open in 144 regions na pwede po tayong mag-start ng mag-register kung meron po tayong kakilala. And this makes us proud as Atomian. Atomy already has the revenue of 2.4 trillion Korean won, and that is equivalent to 17 billion US dollars. Yun hay noong 2021 pa lang. So hindi pa po nakakasama yung revenue natin from 2022 to 2025. So ilang US billion na po kaya ang kinita ni Atomy. That makes us proud as Atomians. Tama po ba? And that brings our Chairman Hangil Park to receive the Presidential Award on Trade in 2009. When we say global trading, hindi lang po talaga pang local yan. Hindi lang Korea, hindi lang Pilipinas, but it's all over the world. And that also brings Atomy itself to be awarded the USD 300 million export tower in 2021. Export. Dahil our products are being exported in the different regions or in the different branches na open po si Atomy. Atomy ay hindi lang pang-local. It goes its way beyond doon lang po sa Korea or South Korea, but it's heading its way to the global market, being at the top 100 global direct selling companies. Palakpakan naman po natin yan. And did you know what? Pag tinignan nyo po itong screen natin, you can see Atomy there. Top 10 lang naman siya, Joanne. But you know, Atomy is the youngest among its competitor. Yung iba po dyan, si Atomy ay teenager pa lang. Atomy is only 16 years old. Yung iba dyan, 30 years old. Yung iba, 40. Yung iba, senior citizen na. So that makes us more proud as Atomians. Atomy is a leading global direct selling market. Kaya naman po, ang ating CEO is the first Korean to join the World Federation of Direct Selling Association Council. And another thing that would make us proud as Atomian, because Atomy is hosting the 2026 WFDSA World Congress. Atomy makes different kind of strategies. And one of which I really love is the global sourcing, global sales strategy. Ang dami niyang pamamaraan kung paano siyang tumulong. And itong global sourcing, global sales na to, sobrang nakakahanga siya dahil Atomy really wants to have a very good relationship among its partner country, just like here in the Philippines. Ang ginagawa po ni Atomy, nagsosource out po siya ng mga local ingredients or local products. Just like here in the Philippines, we are the one, or our country is the one manufacturing Atomy's organic coconut sugar. And that really helps our local farmers here in the Philippines. Diba, nakakatawa po talaga at nakaka-proud na maging part ng Atomy. Atomy is a company committed to ESG management. Ano ba itong ESG management? Atomy was given or was awarded the 2023 Minister of Trade, Industry, and Energy Prize for Excellence in Sustainable Management, because Atomy is very caring not only to us, the members, the employees, pero it gives balance to everything, most importantly, sa ating environment, and of course, sa social, which is us, and for the balanced governance. Atomy is also selected as Korea's best workplace in 4 consecutive years. Di po ba? And ranked number 2 in the 2022 Best Workplaces in Asia for Small and Medium Enterprises category. And just recently, Atomy Philippines was also awarded a Great Place to Work. Atomy has received a lot of recognitions and awards because it really strives hard in enhancing consumers' rights through honest management. I want to introduce to you a man who earned respect through honest management, the heart and brain of Atomy, our chairman, Han-Gil Park. He is selected as one of the Korea's most respected CEO for 4 consecutive years. He was also published or featured in a very prestigious magazines, Forbes and Fortune, and was also featured in other leading newspaper companies for being a very honest or for having Atomy as a very honest company. Point number 2, Atomy is a brand you can trust. We all know that, right? The absolute quality and absolute price powered by strong partnership is because of our manufacturing company, which is Colmar B&H, and Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute as our research and development team. The unmatched consumer satisfaction achieved through absolute quality and absolute price. Atomy offers the return and exchange policy. It means, pag may problema sa produkto, pwede mong ibalik at papalitan niya ni Atomy. But we are so proud to say that for 15 years, Atomy has zero return rate. It only means and it only proves that Atomy products are manufactured with greatness. Prestige products achieved through absolute quality and absolute price. As I said earlier, all of our products have gone very good. Yung mga iniisip ko kung paano gawin, it has gone through many research and development because before they were out in the market. So let's talk about our flagship product, which is Hemohim or Atomy Hemohim. It is best-selling product in the industry for 10 consecutive years because this is also the only individually approved functional food medicine. Next is our Absolute Cell Skin System, which is number 1 or ranked number 1 in the beauty sector for 5 consecutive years. Atomy Skincare System, the fame, is also received the German test technology recommendation for its new materials, new technologies, and of course, for low irritation. Atomy toothbrush, nicknamed 1-second toothbrush, only in Atomy. Did you know that this toothbrush or our toothbrush is being sold every minute, 1 unit for every second? I'm so sorry for that. 1 unit for every second. Can you see that one on the screen? Annually, 37 million toothbrushes are being sold in the market. Alam nyo, meron pa nga pong mga Korean telenovela, ginagamit po nila Atomy toothbrush, Di po ba? Okay. Number 3 point is the Atomy's tree culture. 1, the observing principle. Atomy leads the direct selling industry with integrity and ethics. Number 2, the culture of mutual growth. Let me pause for a while dahil parang gusto ko pong magkwento. Gusto niyo po ba ng kwento? Ayan, ganyan talaga mga Pilipino. Gusto talaga yung kwentuhan. Okay. These 2 short stories will really tell us kung gaano talaga kabuti ang heart ni Atomy. One story is about McNulty. Sino nakakakilala kay McNulty? McNulty is the manufacturing company for our Cafe Arabica. Okay, so before Atomy had an agreement with McNulty. McNulty was almost in the verge of bankruptcy. Muntik na siyang mabankrupt. But you know what Atomy or our CEO, Hangil Park, did? He paid in advance so that McNulty can buy materials and make and produce Atomy Cafe Arabica for us. Kaya hanggang ngayon, ini-enjoy pa po natin ang Cafe Arabica, di po ba? Next story is about the factory of our Atomy potato noodles. It was burned. Nasunog po yan. Many years back, nasunog ang noodle factory natin. And you know what? Our CEO, our chairman, extended help or monetary help. Binigyan po ng financial support ang factory na yan. More than enough para makapagsimula po ulit ang noodle factory na yan. Thank you. Kasi ngayon po, ini-enjoy pa rin natin ang ating Atomy Potato Ramen. Tama po ba? So I will not tell you more kasi doon pa lang makikita na natin kung gaano pinapahalagahan ng ating company ang kanyang mga partner companies. Next is the culture of sharing. Grabe ang donation drive ni Atomy all around the world. But let us talk yung local donations po ni Atomy. I have witnessed so many times kung saan may baha, andyan si Atomy to the rescue. Kung saan may sunog, andyan si Atomy to the rescue. May bagyo, andyan si Atomy. And I witnessed it personally when the Taal volcano erupted. That was in 2020, di po ba? I was one of the Atomy volunteers. And many people nabigyan ng mga food packages, rice, and napaka-generous ni Atomy. Punong-puno po ng mga healthcare or personal care na mga products ibinigay doon sa mga victims ng Taal volcano eruption. So, marami pa rin po mga orphanages and even the blind institution here in the Philippines. Atomy always makes it way para po makatulong sa iba. That is the heart of this company. Number 4 point is the Atomy success system. Atomy makes sure that we will be all educated. Kaya nagko-custom made po siya ng mga educational seminars na katulad po ng Success Academy, one-day seminar, and even yung mga online seminars po natin. Sinisiguro ng Atomy na paglabas po natin dito sa bulwagan na to ay punong-puno na po tayo ng knowledge about our company. And aside from that, we can all go out motivated to do the business. Number 5 point is the marketing plan. Atomy's marketing plan is balanced and righteous. Wala po siya, lahat na ng pangit sa isang network marketing company, marketing plan, tinanggal po yan ni Atomy so that we can all have the chance to succeed in this business. Number 6 point is the corporate philosophy. The founding principle of Atomy are being or which means survival. Atomy makes sure na inaalagaan niya po ang kanyang mga empleyado, ang kanyang mga distributors, partners, tayo po yon, and other people who are in this industry na connected po sa Atomy. Because Atomy is aiming to survive for 100 years, di po ba? Yes, thank you po, sir, for that. And of course, napaka-importante ng survival. But Atomy is also concerned about the growth of our company. But more than the speed or more than sa bilis, Atomy encourage us to do the business with speed and velocity. When we say velocity, kailangan po meron tayong direction. We go with speed and velocity. That should come together. Wala pong pwedeng maiwan. And of course, balance. Dahil ang Atomy really wants to share everything to all of us. Yung revenue ng Atomy, yung kinikita niya, it makes sure na it was being fairly distributed sa mga employees. Sa atin po, you can see we have the general commission, we have the mastership bonus, and what else? Lahat ng mga bagay na pwede pong ibigay sa atin ni Atomy, like travel incentives and many others, all for our success. And lastly is the company motto. This is the heart of our company. It's like the mission and vision of our company. The line, cherish the spirit, talks about us. Dahil Atomy really gives so much care about the people around it. The second line, create the vision, encourage us to dream big. Dahil Atomy can do so much for us. Follow the faith, encourages us to really have faith in ourselves, in our company, and of course, the one who does everything to all of us, our Almighty Creator. And of course, serve in humility because we are doing a people business. Atomy is a people business. So this kind of business requires love and humility for other people. Sabi nga ni CEO, we can be good if we do Atomy alone, but we can do super if we do it together. We have the synergy of united hearts. Atomy continues to build and uphold unwavering lahat ng mga bagay na pwede niyang gawin para sa atin ay ginagawa niya. Ang hinihintay lang ni Atomy ay tayo. Tayo na lang po yung nag-iisa na magdi-decide para sa sarili natin whether to do Atomy, magsasucceed tayo, or whether just sit down there and just go home after this seminar. So, my encouragement for all of us, whatever we learn from this seminar today, ilagay po natin yan sa ating mga puso, sa ating mga isip, at hayaan po natin na yan po yung mag-drive sa ating mga kamay at paa at ating mga bibig para i-share po natin ang kagandahan ng ating company. Ako po si Joanne Balaoro, Diamond Master, Center Head of Antipolo Masangkay Center.